Good morning, everyone. It's a bit cold, but the sun is shining and it's a very nice sunrise. What I planned for today is a bit different from usual. I would like to bake some cookies because my husband's brother is having some dinner tomorrow, so I'll bake some cookies to share. It's chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Okay, so for the ingredients, I'm going to use a double dose. It's big jar that I need to fill, this cookie jar. Quite enormous. So if you guys want to use just half of the ingredients that I'm going to use, then feel free to do that. I'm using 2 cups butter, which is softened, and 2 cups brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, 4 eggs, and then 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, and I have here 4 teaspoons baking powder. If you guys are going to use baking soda instead of baking powder, you can just use 1 teaspoon baking soda. And then I have 2 teaspoons salt and 6 cups of rolled oats. I have 2 cups walnuts, which are chopped, and 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. While I'm preheating the oven to 160 degrees centigrade, let's cream together the butter, brown sugar, and white sugar together, and mix in also the eggs and vanilla and flour. So this is the consistency that I'm looking at. And with this mixture, I'm going to add the baking powder, and then the salt. And then once I mix this in, I will add in the oats. And our oats are here. Another bowl over there, but I'll just mix this in first. Okay, so our oatmeal is there. The mixture is quite thick now. Now we'll add in the walnut and the chocolate chips. those of you guys who don't know me, I don't really bake, but this is easy enough to do, so I'm sure you guys can do it too. So just mix it in. So this is our final mixture. All the ingredients are in, and I have lined the baking tray with ungreased sheets. And we'll just drop spoonfuls of our mixture. All right, so we have our trays ready with our cookie doughs. I'll just finish this up, and then the oven is also ready. So we'll just pop this in. There, looks yummy. Okay, so we will bake this for 12 minutes. And here's another one. Okay. Our cookies are done. Yep. There they are. All right, so we have our first batch. Just rinse and repeat. We'll put in the second batch. All right, our second batch is ready. Let me just put this out. Okay. There. What I did is I just, after the cookies from the tray have cooled for 5 minutes, I just transfer them in a wire rack to cool completely. And then I'll just finish off with the last batch. So I only have this one tray left, and it's done. So there's a bunch there and here. So I'll just put this last tray in. And that's it. And time's up. So this is our last tray of cookies. Let me just get this out and let it cool. So I've filled up the jar and it's almost full. So the rest of this will stay here at home. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please press the thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe so we can all enjoy all these other projects, and hopefully I would get to cook some more and show you guys. If I have other special projects also, you will get a notification of that. And until next time, thank you for watching. See you guys.